Hi guys, my name is Emily and I just recently graduated from Oneonta in May with my degree in adolescent education. My concentration is in social studies. This is my second semester of grad school, so it's been a little bit of an adjustment with the online classes, but I'm getting used to it. Um, Today I brought with me for my artifact my kitten, Sophie. Um, She is about 5 months old now, and I didn't just pick her because she won't leave me alone today, but because there is a little story behind um, why I got her. So, a big part of my life has been um, volunteering and rescuing animals. Um, in December, I volunteered at the Brookhaven Animal Shelter, and I saw Sophie and her sister there. I'd show you her, but she's hiding somewhere. And I decided I was going to take them home, so I adopted them. They came from an evicted house. They had a rough, uh, I guess, kittenhood. Their mom abandoned them, so I took both them, and me and my sister were raising them. But then my sister went back to school, so now it's just me. I'm a single mom of two kittens. Uh, but anyway, the reason why I'm saying this is because volunteering is such a big part of my life, and it's really, really important to me, and it makes up part of my identity. I also volunteer for Long Island Golden Retriever Rescue, and with my family's help, we foster different golden retrievers or any dog that we find is like in harm's way, we will take in. And then we find them really nice homes. We do fundraising. We do a lot. And recently we started actually, you want to say hi? Recently we started taking in dogs from Turkey and China. Where are you going? um, nope, can't go there. And it's been really rewarding experience because those dogs they come from such hard parts of the world, I guess, like for a dog to be in, especially with everything going on now in Turkey. So it's really important that someone is there helping them. And in order to make that happen, we have to fundraise. I ran my own online fundraiser a couple years ago for Golden Retriever Rescue. I did a GoFundMe, and we paid for a lot of the dogs' plane tickets over. We have to pay for all their medical costs. So it's a lot of money, but we make it happen. We have volunteers across the island. And it's really good to have younger people involved as well because I'm actually going to help them design a new website that is going to be more accessible for people for this day and age. Um, but anyway, so that's my story about how I got my kid. Kind of went off there. But basically, what I want to do in my future classroom, because right now I'm a permanent sub at Eastport South Manor. But in my future classroom, I really want to emphasize the importance of volunteering in your community and in the world in general. Um, During my student teaching experience, I actually, with my cooperating teacher's help, put together a fundraiser where I had my students bring in school supplies for students in Africa who really needed it. My cooperating teacher had a past student who actually does a lot of volunteer work and a bunch of different stuff out in Africa. So she gave us the organization's name, and I just had my students bring in any school supplies that they had, anything extra, anything they went out and bought, and it felt really good. It's really important that we teach our students humility and kindness, and to get involved in their communities and make a difference. So um, that's my story. I'm looking forward to working with everyone. Like I said, this online class thing is definitely an adjustment, but I'm making it happen. So, all right. Say bye, Soph. Bye, guys.